Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be taking this Ferrari 348 TS out for some errands. I'm going to get some gas and take this car to get some breakfast at McDonald's. So let's hop on in here and get this baby started up. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but we make it work. Clutch in. We've got to let it warm up, but oh my gosh, this V8 sounds incredible. The seatbelt in this car is really weird. You have one that comes from your left side that goes over, and then your shoulder belt comes from this side and it goes over just like so. Definitely different from any cars I've ever driven. As we wait for it to warm up, you can see that we are paired with a 5-speed gated manual transmission. This is going to be a blast. Car is now warmed up. Let's get this thing out of the driveway. My driveway is pretty steep, so we have to take it at a pretty crazy angle to make sure this car does not scrape. Come on. Boom, we're on the ground. First thing we're gonna do is head to the gas station to top this thing up, then head to McDonald's. And you are not ready for how loud this thing screams. That was just first gear and this car is already so loud. It revs to 9,000 RPMs, and boy does it sound great doing so. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get into the gas station. This car has no power steering, so at low speeds, it's kind of hard to maneuver sometimes, but we'll be good. So the gas button is right here, but it doesn't work. So we have to actually pop the back trunk of the car, lift it up, and pull this emergency gas tank. And it pops right open. And then of course, let's fill her up. And of course, we always got to use 93 octane. Right now it is $3.80 a gallon. The gas tank was almost full, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to be that much, but we're already at about $5. But yeah, flat plane crank V8 pushing out 300 horsepower, revving up to 9,000 RPMs. My goodness, this car screams. That was only $11 for 2 gallons of gas. Pretty good. Close the rear deck lid, and then we're off. Woo! Let's do it. Definitely not as loud as it was in that cold start, but that makes sense. Oh my gosh. And we're getting stuck at a red light. Surprisingly good because right back there, it's glass. It's not blocked off by any other metals. You can just look right back and you can see directly what's behind you. Let's put it in third. And now you're way more quiet of a car. But when you pop it back in second, my goodness. This baby screams. Whoop. I always stay clear of the potholes. Those can always mess up your alignment, and you do not want to mess up alignment in a Ferrari 348. Absolutely beautiful sounding car. This car is so jerky. Like, oh my gosh, instant torque. This is quite the car to be taking to McDonald's. Usually you'd show up to like a, fancy restaurant, steak dinner, real expensive. $500 bill type place, but no. This is the car you take to McDonald's to get a breakfast sandwich. Pop it into third gear. Way less loud. more chill, less torque if you slam on it because we're only sitting at 3,000 RPM. When you're in this car, a lot of people honk at you, wave at you. It's depends on, it's up to you if you like that or not. I mean, some people don't like the attention of driving a Ferrari, some people don't. They don't want to be looked at. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. It's not my car, so I'll take the attention for the short while I have this. All right, I see the golden arches. Hallelujah, McDonald's. All right, let's get in here in the parking lot. All right, let's get parked up. This is quite the McDonald's mobile. And let's get on in McDonald's. Maybe I should get exactly what's on this billboard. Breakfast sandwich, coffee, hash brown. Coffee in this car would be a bad idea, so I don't know if I'm gonna get coffee. All right, let's do it. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel. That looks good. Oh, meal, yes, please. We're gonna get small lemonade. Add to order. To go. No, thank you. Complete order. $7.62. My receipt didn't print. What the heck? We got a little AMG GLE 53 out there. All right, here we go. Let's take this right out to the car. Definitely not gonna drink the lemonade in the Ferrari, but what a nice little dining room table we have on the back of the car here. Looks pretty awesome. Time to get that thumbnail shot. What a sight to have, man. This car is spectacular. I've got my bacon, egg, and cheese, my lemonade, and my hash brown. My goodness, McDonald's is amazing. If I bring this in the car, I really gotta be careful, so I think I'll end up, unfortunately, having to toss this out in a couple minutes. Definitely getting some interesting looks from people as I'm in a Ferrari outside of McDonald's. I'm gonna sit on this brick wall, enjoy my food, and enjoy the view of this Ferrari. Finished my hash brown and my lemonade. So I'm gonna go throw this away real quick. And then I'll keep the bagel for when we stop next. Hey, what's up?
Is that your car?
It's not my car, but it's my friend's car. Yeah.
Wow. This is the kind of car I hope to own one day.
Me too. I want this one day as well. It's pretty loud. I'll start it up for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Ready? Pretty good.
Wow.
Yeah. It's not super loud, but
it's still loud.
it's still got an idle. Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one. All right, I'm gonna buckle up the McDonald's with a little lap belt right here. I didn't do anything. Let's get going to a little scenic location so we can enjoy our bacon, egg, and cheese on that bagel. Like I said, no power steering. Kind of sucks, but it gives you the full experience of the classic Ferrari, so I'll deal with it. Really nice guy that was checking out the Ferrari. That's just 25 miles an hour in first gear, and the car just sounds incredible. This car is modified because it has no catalytic converter, so it makes the car slightly louder. From stock, I think it's definitely a little bit more quiet. That was 7,000 RPMs in first gear. My gosh, the car just screams. Ready? I'll do that one more time. Wow. Oh my gosh. I need a screaming V8 Ferrari in my life. Obviously right now I have it, but this is not my car. I wish it was my car. Thanks to the owner for letting me borrow this car for the last couple days. This is truly an experience. I'm gonna slow down a little bit and give it some room so I can hit it a little bit on this road because it's an awesome little calm back road. curves. Not gonna go crazy fast at all, of course, but we'll hear that V8. Check out that river right there. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. See, I buckled up my Mcdonald's, but it didn't work too well. But dang, look at this view. Oh my gosh, this was a blast of a morning. Getting my breakfast from McDonald's in this Ferrari 348 TS, 300 horsepower screaming V8. My gosh, this car is awesome. So ladies and gentlemen, if you love supercars, if you love cars like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos just like this.